Requirements to get a business credit card. Introducing Rippling's corporate card. Easiest business credit card to get FAQs. Opening a business credit card is often one of the first big financial moves your company makes, and it can set the foundation for building business credit, managing expenses, and unlocking new growth opportunities. With the right card, you can start tracking company spending, build credit, and unlock new opportunities, even if you're deciding between easy approval business credit cards that don't require years of financial history. In this article, we'll walk through 8 of the best corporate cards and easy-to-get business credit cards that can help you move faster, spend smarter, and build the financial track record your business needs to grow. You'll find options designed for startups, side hustles, and growing companies that need business credit cards for new business needs. If you're wondering how to get business credit card access without putting your personal credit at risk, or just looking for the easiest cards to get approved for, we've got practical, easy business credit cards built for real-world goals. Factors that make a business credit card easy to obtain. Getting a business credit card can feel like a challenge, especially if you're new to business finance. Lenders design certain cards with new businesses and first-time founders in mind, making approval more straightforward if you meet a few basic requirements. Knowing what features to look for can save you time and help you avoid cards that aren't the right fit yet. Low credit score requirements. Some business credit cards cater to owners who don't have perfect credit. If your credit score is only fair or still a work in progress, picking a card with lower requirements may make it easier to get approved. Business-friendly approval requirements. Many business credit cards will work with businesses still building a financial foundation by looking at basic business information, like estimated revenue and expenses, rather than your overall track record. The trade-off? Cards with easier approval typically come with fewer rewards, lower credit limits, and higher variable APRs. Fast online application process. An easy account opening process often signals that lenders designed a card for newer or smaller businesses. Some card issuers offer fast online applications with minimal paperwork. Some even give instant approvals after a simple credit check. No annual fee. Business credit cards with no annual fee often have more relaxed approval requirements compared to corporate cards. If you're just looking for a basic card to cover expenses and build business credit, starting with a no-fee option can make approval easier and cheaper to maintain. Business credit cards versus corporate charge cards. It's easy to confuse business credit cards versus corporate charge cards, but they're not quite the same thing. While they're both used to pay for company expense, different features, restrictions, and use cases. Understanding these distinctions can help you choose the right tool for how your business operates. Payment requirements. With a business credit card, you can carry a balance from month to month if you need to, though you'll likely pay a variable APR on any unpaid amount. Corporate charge cards, on the other hand, typically require you to pay off the full balance every billing cycle. There's no option to build debt over time, which can help your business stay disciplined. Corporate cards sometimes offer flexible repayment, but this depends on the card issuer and company agreement. Liability and personal guarantee. Most business credit cards require a personal guarantee, which means you're personally on the hook for business debts if the company can't pay. Corporate charge cards, on the other hand, may not ask for this. Instead, the company itself is typically responsible for paying the balance, which is why you need strong business financials to qualify. Credit limits versus spending controls. A business credit card generally comes with a strict credit limit based on your personal and business credit history. Corporate cards, on the other hand, usually offer dynamic spending limits based on company revenue and cash flow, with built-in spending controls that allow businesses to set custom limits for employees and departments. Eligibility and target users. Business and credit cards are available to a wide range of applicants, including sole proprietors, startups, and small businesses. Corporate cards, however, are typically reserved for established businesses with strong financial track records, higher expenses, and established business histories. Approval often hinges on your business's revenue, payroll size, and spending volume rather than a credit check. 4 easiest business credit cards to get approved for. If you're looking for a business credit card that won't ask you to jump through too many hoops to qualify, the O